A new generation of small UAS is ready for duty. Skydio X10D. Built to revolutionize human-machine teaming, Skydio X10D's rugged airframe is adaptable to any mission. Equipped with high-resolution sensors and a first-of-its-class radiometric thermal camera, Skydio X10D enables enhanced standoff that increases survivability while you make faster and better decisions. Unmatched autonomy unlocks a new generation of battlefield tactics, including flight in varied terrain and more operational geometries. Navigate dense obstacles with ease, day or night. Night Sense brings the power of autonomous flight to zero-light conditions. Advanced onboard AI simplifies battlefield tasks, calculates ground-level distance, protects mobile teams with autonomous overwatch, tracks subjects, and rapidly generates detailed 2D and 3D models. Built to evolve with you, X10D can carry multiple attachment options. Its open, modular architecture supports changing battlefield technology and advanced multi-drone operations. Small, smart, survivable, scalable. Skydio X10D.